The Cathedral of Mother Teresa has been consecrated in the Kosovo capital Pristina, marking the 20th anniversary of her death. Mother Teresa of Kolkota was a nun born to ethnic Albanian parents in modern-day Macedonia, who was declared a saint in September 2016. There are some 60,000 Roman Catholics in Kosovo, about 3.5% of the population, which is otherwise predominantly Muslim. Representatives of both the Muslim and Orthodox faiths attended the consecration, as did Kosovo President Hashim Thaci. The construction of the cathedral on Pristina's central Bill Clinton Boulevard began in 2007.